What is electric current? Electric current is the rate of flow of electric charges. Let us see how it works in a circuit. Consider a simple circuit connected with a cell, plug key and a bulb in series with an ammeter to measure the current. Insert the plug key and observe the flow of current. We can see that there is an electric current flowing in the circuit which turns on the bulb. The charges are supplied by the cell which set up electric current in the circuit. Electrons were not known at the time when the phenomenon of electricity was first observed. So, electric current was considered to be the flow of positive charges. The direction of flow of positive charges was taken to be the direction of electric current, which is opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons. If a net charge Q flows across any cross-section of a conductor in time t, then the current I through the cross-section is I equals to Q by T. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb, which is equivalent to the charge contained in nearly 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. The electric current is expressed by a unit called ampere. 1 ampere is constituted by the flow of 1 coulomb of charge per second. An instrument called ammeter measures electric current in a circuit. It is always connected in series in a circuit through which the current is to be measured.